How to fix we have disabled your account on Instagram. Having your Instagram account disabled can be frustrating, but you can often recover it by following these steps. First of all, understand why your account was disabled. Was it disabled by posting inappropriate content or using third-party app or engaging in spammy behavior? Once you've done so, simply tap on the any web browser available on your device. Here I'm tapping on the Safari. Now inside the search address bar, type down the Instagram support and hit enter. Once done, so scroll down and there you can see disable Instagram account option available. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the disable Instagram account, you will be navigated to this section. From here, tap on the account recovery option available in the blue highlights. Then you'll be navigated to look for your account. All you have to do is enter your account username and tap on the next option available there. Now if you cannot recover using this method, then you can go back to the same I cannot log in option available here. Now scroll down and there you can see some options like if this was helpful or not. Tap on the no option and find an option from the list. Now here all you have to do is enter all the problem you are facing by disabling the Instagram account and tap on the submit button available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.